Sup thoughts? It's been a while. Well, actually, it's only been a week, but still, it's been a minute. So, I was thinking to myself, how long has it been since I've done something incredibly stupid? It's been too long. So while I was at Walmart today, buying a plum, because I have never eaten a plum. Actually, I should do that now. So I was at Walmart today, buying a plum, because I've never had a plum and I wanted to try one. And I saw this $7 clothing iron. I almost hit myself in the face with that. $7 clothing iron. And I just thought, what stupid shit could I do with that? And then I looked over and I saw cookie dough. No, I didn't. I just saw the clothing iron immediately, thought I want cookie dough, and then thought, oh, I wonder if I can make cookies using just a clothing iron. Does it get hot enough? Well, we're gonna find out today. Oh, God. So we also learned today I don't like plums. So for once I read the instructions, and it says nothing about not using this for food. And nowhere in this does it say, don't use this to make food because you're a lazy piece of shit. So I'm gonna assume it's fine. To do this, I'm gonna start with something like kind of easy, grilled cheese, just to establish, or in this case ironed cheese, just to establish what this thing's capabilities are, if any. Because there's a chance this won't work. I'm hoping it will, just, I feel like that would be a fun time. Discovering even easier way to make grilled cheese. Just fire up the old tiny $7 iron. So I'm gonna start. This isn't meant to be like good, just to see where we're at in terms of power. So we're gonna see how that goes. I'm wrapping it in foil just because I genuinely think doing it directly on the bread and stuff, that would just instantly ruin it, and maybe I wouldn't be able to do the rest of the food that I have planned. So we're gonna play it safe for this first one and just see what happens. Now first, to test it, you should always slam your hand against it. Don't do that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just press it down on here. Feel it, it's hot, and we're gonna begin. What does the light being up for household use only? Well, this is a household use. All right, well. Okay, something's definitely sizzling. Okay, you know what? That sounds like enough sizzling. That's enough. We're gonna stop there. Hand. You feel me? So up next, I'm gonna see which of these requires a hotter temperature and do the one that requires the lower temperature first, just so we have a build-up, All right, this one wants 400 degrees. This one wants 350. So cookies are first. Cinnamon rolls are next. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. This I think will be trickier because this is a lot thicker than the sandwiches. Denser. I don't know what the word is, but I think it's gonna be harder, is what I'm saying. Doesn't smell like cookies, unfortunately. Oh, it's flat. I think I killed him. We're gonna flip it. Oh, that's a sound. Okay, so round 2 with the cookies. I think I know where I went wrong. So we're gonna go for another try. We are going to, instead of flattening this, because I think it needs this density to survive this heavy ass iron. It's not even that heavy, but imagine like to this, yeah, it's pretty heavy. And we are gonna give it more breathing room. I don't know if that's what it should be called. Like just more space to expand. Because I think that was the issue. Like it crumpled under the weight of the iron, and it also didn't have any place to expand. Alright, so this one ended up flattened as well, but I gotta say, I'm assuming it came out better. Oh, I don't want to look. I think it came out better just because it didn't seem like it cooked too fast like the other cookie probably did. Alright, I'm gonna consider this done. Just because, like, it sounds done? I don't know. It smells done. Or actually, I don't know. I don't know how to, like, gauge how long to put it on. Because, like, if this was in the oven, then I could probably, like, take a wild guess and maybe put it in there for, like, half an hour, 20 minutes. But, like, since this is direct heat being pushed onto it, I don't know how to tell when enough is enough. I feel like the top is gonna be really cooked, but the middle part, like, that middle part isn't gonna be cooked that well. But that might just be me. Well, I made some pancake mix. So are y'all ready to make some bad choices? Oh, right. I need something to flip it with. Or, you know what? The knife will probably work. Probably. Just gotta get the cookie dough off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the pancake mix right here so it doesn't seep in. So this is either gonna work or there's a chance I'm about to make a horrible mistake. I'm gonna just use a little, not a lot, because I don't know what's gonna happen. Alright, let's get her started. Ooh, let's see how this goes. That one's dangerously close. Alright. I can make a dick-shaped pancake. I think you already know what's gonna come up next. Alright, it looks like it's ready to be flipped. Oh, she was stuck. Oh, look at that! Oh my god, that worked! I didn't think that would work! So I guess if you're really desperate, you can make a bunch of really small pancakes on an iron. I can't believe that worked. Oh my god, I'm actually really surprised. I mean, I know how a pancake tastes, so I'm not gonna bother making one for comparison, because, like, y'all already... Okay, that's gonna just stay down there. Now to make the dick-shaped pancake. Let's start. Okay, so... Oh, that's a skinny dick. Let's make him a bit thicker. Yes! Yes! Oh, I have the humor of a 12-year-old boy. Doesn't really look like a dick. Something went wrong there, but we're gonna roll with it. Get it into these bad boys, because I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh, that's a fun shape. Not exactly dick-shaped, but acceptable, I guess. Not gonna lie, I mean, this is a pretty good way for getting pancakes the way I like them. Like this. That's how I like them. And they taste fine, they're like fully cooked. Hey, if you ever want to tell someone to eat a dick, you can make them a dick. And they can eat it. Alright, so this is the final product. As you can see, the cinnamon roll leaves a lot to be desired. I think it's cooked. It's a little burnt on one side. I think that's just my own fault. But we're gonna put some of this. Oh, it doesn't, okay. Come on. I just need a little bit. All right. Come on. All right. That tastes really good. This came out pretty good. I mean, I was kind of expecting that just because, I don't know, it seemed like that would go the best. And it did. I think if you just left, you could just leave it on longer if you wanted it more cooked or less cooked. Or toasted. Let's give her a taste. Doesn't taste any different from any normal grilled cheese. I think I might actually eat that. Here are the cookies. Did not go too well. I think the main problem is they just can't handle getting smushed like that. And no matter how lightly I put on the iron, they would always they would get crushed. So unless you had a really steady hand, I don't think you can make cookies with an iron, unfortunately. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I post every Thursday or Friday. And remember to like and subscribe. Bye.